Hello mortals. Do you think it was your free decision to click on this video? Or was it predetermined before your birth?
At the beginning of the universe? Imagine you have a ball, and you apply some force to it. Using classical physics, you can easily calculate the ball's future. But now, imagine that, for a moment, you know the exact position of every atom and force in the universe. You have absolutely all of the information about everything. Knowing this, you could predict the future of the universe, frame by frame, and you could also deduce its past. Sure, it would be incredibly difficult to do, but hypothetically, it would work. Does that mean that absolutely everything that will ever happen can be calculated from the present? Absolutely. Everything. From your every single thought and action, your date of death, to your browsing history. Does that also mean that we don't have a free will, if all our actions and choices are predetermined, and respectively you were destined to watch this video from the birth of the universe? Is everything already determined, and nothing random? Let's see what quantum mechanics has to say. Prepare for the mind f***. Let's speak about the Schrödinger's cat experiment. Basically, we have a cat in a box with a bomb that will go off if an uranium atom will decay. The decay happens randomly. It can happen now, after 5 minutes or 1 billion years. So until we open the box, the uranium atom will have decayed and will have not decayed at the same time. It will be in a superposition of two states. And so will be the cat, dead and alive at the same time. However, when we open the box, the universe splits in two, each with one of the possibilities of the cat being either dead or alive. So if you open the box and the cat is alive, there is a parallel universe where the cat is dead. This is called the many worlds interpretation. This is where the real mind f*** begins. This division of the universe happens each time that a quantum superposition is measured. Take this electron cloud, that is the probability of the position of an electron in an atom. It most likely is somewhere here, but it may still be in these fainter parts. It might even be here, but with a respectively small probability. But as soon as we measure its location, the universe divides in all the possible locations where the electron could exist. A new universe for each possible position for the electron. I'm not making this up, seriously. Now think about it, if a single electron divided the universe in so many ways, and consider how many atoms are there in the universe, then in every instant, the universe is being divided almost infinitely many times. This massive number of parallel universes contain every possible thing that you can think of. There is a universe in which you are a billionaire, or a universe in which Hillary won, or one in which Abraham Lincoln rises from the dead and kills them both. There is even a universe in which you get laid. Everything that you can think of will happen in some parallel universe. So, is everything predetermined, or not? The answer is that, although practically impossible, we can predict all of the outcomes of every quantum superposition, and in turn, all of the possible evolutions of all the possible universes. But the one thing that we can't predict, is which universe we will proceed to. In other words, we know all of the possible paths the universe can take, but we don't know which one exactly it will, as it is only a matter of probability. So, happy news for you. Your future is not yet determined. Kind of. What do you say? You didn't understand from this video? Oh, don't worry. Neither did I, and nor does anyone else. You see, quantum mechanics weird. Anyone who claims to understand quantum mechanics probably doesn't. So my advice to you is to forget this video completely before the existential crisis slowly creeps inside you and drags you into the abyss of nothingness. Bye.